Good morning.
Hi from the punishment chair.
Yeah, I should be in the punishment chair. I just stepped over Bowie and kind of got him in the face.
Oh.
He knows I'm sorry though. He knows it was an accident.
Yes.
But anyway, they're waiting for their breakfast too, because did I forget to mention that this is what we ate today, vegan edition,
Whoa.
even including the
Doggies
dogs.
Included? Puppies are
Oh,
vegan. Sometimes.
They're 97% vegan. Once in a while, they'll have a can of sardines or something for their omegas. It makes their coats really shiny.
You good boy.
Don't make mats under my ears.
I know. I know.
Anyway, Lucy, it's breakfast. So they're having, it just looks gross, but they actually really love it. It's black rice, a bag of mixed vegetables, some nutritional yeast, some kelp flakes, a can of, what's in there? Garbanzo beans.
They love it.
I think I put some carrots in there as well, some kale. I put that in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes, and it's usually whatever I have on hand. I don't pay attention too much to this part of it because they do eat the dry dog food, the V-Dog, with it, and that has all of the things calculated in there that they need protein-wise and everything. So I don't. This is just a mix-in to make them feel a little special, like they're having a nice home-cooked meal.
They are special, and they're having a nice gourmet meal.
Yes. So I usually just, they eat twice a day. They eat in the morning and in the evening. Let me just put my coffee on here. Okay. And the froth. So they eat twice a day. They have one dental bone at noon.
Around noon, 12:15.
And they know exactly when noon is,
Yeah,
because
they will let you know.
they sit right in front of the jar where they are until they get it.
Right, Lou?
From about 11:30.
Yeah.
Maybe the clocks are a little off. Who knows?
I think they just get excited.
Yeah. So I'm having my second cup of coffee of the day. The first one was just an Americano with soy milk. And this one, the second one, I've been doing an espresso, but like a 6-ounce. I got the reusable stainless steel Nespresso type style pods from Amazon. But I also have the already made ones because I bought those first. So I don't want to drink another giant cup of coffee, especially because we're going biking today.
Yes, we are.
So I don't need 32 ounces of coffee on my stomach, whatever, when we're biking. But
Yeah,
I do need the energy.
I don't know that would be a very good idea.
Yeah. So I'm going to put their breakfast together in a second. You're having your old standby?
I'm having oatmeal with almond milk and peanut butter, and I'm going to put some blueberries on top.
Oh, Bowie said, "Where's my blueberries?"
Yeah, he always gets a few when I have some.
So I like to do a 50-50 plate situation for breakfast. If you know anything about like the starch solution, that's Dr. What's his name? McDougall. Dr. McDougall. A lot of the other vegan doctors also follow this. I'm going to do half the plate in vegetables, non-starchy vegetables, and half the plate in starch. So I have some leftover rice here. Yes, it's got a little taco shrapnel on it. I like to do about a cup of rice or pasta or whatever, you know, I have left over. Occasionally I'll do a slice of gluten-free toast with a little bit of cheese on it. Vegan cheese, of course. And then my, I always do a whole bag of frozen veggies. So this is 12 ounces of frozen veggies. And, where is it? Ah, my hot sauce. Occasionally I'll put balsamic vinegar, but this is what I'm having today. The hot sauce, green beans, and a little bit of rice. I gotta pop that in the microwave. I gotta wait for my turn in the microwave.
Yeah, it's open. This is what my finished breakfast looks like.
Well, I'm not going to show my finished because I think it's fairly obvious of green beans, rice, and sauce.
Good boy.
Oh.
And Lulu's gonna get a little treat.
Yeah. Alright, I'll guess I'll show the dog stuff before they eat it and how happy and excited they are to eat it as well. Here's my delectable breakfast. The dog's dishes are filled and ready to go, and they are waiting at their stations.
Oh, how adorable.
They go right for it. Minnie especially never used to do that.
Oh, yeah.
We were a little concerned when we switched them over from being omnivores to carnivore to vegan herbivores because we thought, oh, they're gonna miss the taste of meat too much, but they just love the veggies so much.
So adorable to watch them eat.
Yeah, crunch away, baby. Oh. And it's not even the V-Dog because when they had the V-Dog mixed with the meat, they were like, this is okay.
Yeah.
But now they actually sit and wait for the food to come to them. They just, yeah.
Adorable.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you, I will.
Oh yeah, it's lunchtime. Good thing too, because I'm starving.
Yeah,
I'm
I didn't
gonna
have an
come on this
snack
side
today.
because the lighting is not great on that side. All right.
I have a weird grouping.
Let me just say the bike ride not so good.
No, because somebody got a flat tire. That sucks. So we had to walk it back.
We still got to work out, but
We did.
yeah. So a weird mushroom too.
Yeah, we did. And also an iPad on the side of the road. We checked. The screen was really cracked. And
Yeah.
I think it was waterlogged, but
Yeah.
how does that even happen?
Rich people.
I guess. But anyway, this
Throw
is
it
what
away.
we're having for lunch. I'm having some white rice, white basmati rice.
Yes.
With Mexican leftovers from last night. You
This
want to tell
is-
everybody what's in there?
Vegan Mexican mixture. It's dark red kidney beans, pinto beans,
Cauliflower,
a whole head of cauliflower,
corn.
4 ears of corn worth of corn. My proprietary blend of Mexican spices,
Yes.
taco seasoning, some, what else was in there? Refried beans, but vegan refried beans.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Yeah. We got
Delicious.
the yellow
Oh, and
sauce.
2 Beyond Burgers.
Yes.
So, like, that's enough for, like, 8 people, pretty much. So, like, 2 Beyond Burgers. So, you're really only getting a quarter of a burger
Mm-hmm.
per serving.
Yeah.
So, that's pretty good. It's just an accent flavor.
Yeah. I got some olives on there, some yellow
Yes.
sauce, romaine lettuce with
House-made ranch. Made with
Excuse me.
vegan mayo, veganaise, whatever. I don't know what the...
I say veganese, but I don't know.
It could be veganaise.
Who knows?
Yeah.
And I have a random garlic knot in here.
Right, from the other day, from
Yeah.
when we had Kristen's birthday party.
So good stuff.
Yeah, you got a good one there.
What you got?
I got a giant bowl of romaine lettuce, 1 scoop of just the taco mixture,
Mm-hmm.
2 grape leaves from the party with the garlic knots.
Mm-hmm.
So this is also made like I make my stuffed cabbage. It's basically very few burgers.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, this was in 2 packages of Impossible mince, to 4 cups of basmati rice, and then 2 cans of tomato paste and spice blend. You roll that up in grape leaves and you steam it.
Delicious.
Yes, you steam it in the Instant Pot,
Yeah.
and it's very, very delicious.
Mm-hmm.
And I also have some olives for accent on the top, 12 ounces of frozen green beans, and about a tablespoon of the ranch dressing drizzled over the top.
Looks good.
I'm excited. I'm ready to chow down. I'm going to have my baby gut after lunch, and I don't care. I don't care, because it's only temporary.
Okay.
It's time for an afternoon pick-me-up. Since I got the espresso machine, we've been enjoying a late
I
afternoon.
hate this cup though.
I love that cup. We've been enjoying a latte.
I could use a tiny bit of sweet.
I'm a purist. I don't like sugar in there. So this is a soy milk latte. I forget what number capsule it was, but it's delicious. I need this pick me up badly.
Ooh, dinner time.
Dinner time.
I
Really?
realized Bowie.
No. It's dinner time.
Yay.
Could you guess it's pizza night?
Ooh.
Actually, it's more like Italian night.
Yeah, because you're having pasta.
I'm having pasta because I can't eat the pizza because it's gluten.
It looks beautiful though.
We got your vegan pie right here with a little bit of Gardein sausage. I'm having gluten-free pasta with some antipasto olives over the top.
Beautiful.
And a little bit of Paisana pasta sauce. We got a beautiful tossed salad with cabbage, cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, house vinaigrette.
Look
How about that?
Beautiful. Well, enjoy it. I realized I haven't had any snacks today, and that is not normal for me.
Yeah, you're gonna have to have some dessert.
Yeah, but we'll see. Stay tuned.
Bon appetito. What a delicious dinner. Now,
Yes. I'm so stuffed right now, but I need like a little dessert.
we're trying to get through the 2-hour episode of Big Brother, the second double eviction baby, and we
It's just
need
a lot
a
in one
little
night.
snack. So you're having the cinnamon apple straws.
These are so delicious.
Yes.
So delicious. They taste like cinnamon toast crunch.
Yes.
Love it.
Well, I'm having some gluten-free amaranth, corn, quinoa flakes or something. They're really good. They taste like a hamster cage.
Yeah. They're pretty good. I had one the other day.
Mark actually had some for breakfast or for late breakfast this morning, and he said they were good. So
Second breakfast.
yeah, these are also gluten-free. I'm just not in the
they
mood
are.
for apple right now. But that's what we ate today.
Yes.
It was really good.
It was a good food day, yeah.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
So thank
I
you
think
all
we
so
did
much
good.
for watching.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys. If you want to see more weight loss videos, more SOS free videos, more recipe videos, or if you have a suggestion for us,
They're coming your way.
leave it in the comments and we'll see if we can hook it up. Alright, so thanks again guys, and we'll see you on the next one. And until then, much love.